gon' do this my way. Up running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped your style, I helped you grind. And you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me in, that's alright.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a updo hairstyle. Without further ado, let's get to it. Hair I'll be using is fashion hair, and you can purchase this hair from Amazon. These are what you get with the hair. The hair has 6 clips and 2 combs, so there is enough security to make sure the hair ain't falling from your head, guys. And also, if you need additional security, the hair already came with bobby pins.
She's 1 in a million. She helps me to grow the life that she
As you can see here, guys, I have my hair in 3 ponytails for my Mohawk Updo.
I'd fight in 1,000 wars to collapse there in her arms. Pretty my baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my home.
I'll open the clips to make it easier to secure the hair.
Her eyes take me back to the moment she saved me, conquering my dreams.
Now it's time to put the hair on, and guys, all you gotta do is push the clip under your hair and close them. And if you need extra security, as I said before, go ahead and add some bobby pins.
Adore makes me remember something I've seen deep in the fields in East Tennessee. Timeless and perfect, beautiful, charming and true. Those daisies remind me of you. I'd go to the sun.
Now we're on to separating the curls. You can use your hands or a wide tooth comb. Also, you can leave the hair as it is, but the hair is too stiff, so I gotta make this hair as messy as I can get it to look.
She is my whole world. She is my heart forever, my girl, and her eyes take me back to the moment she saved me, conquering my dreams, honest and true. Put this for you, Daisy. Baby, I'll go to the sun and back for her. I'll go 1,000 to collapse there in her arms. I'm gonna fight for you, baby. To the sun and back, go for you. 1,000 wars to collapse there in her arms. To the sun and back.
Here you have the finished look, guys, and this hairstyle you can create in less than 5 minutes. It is only $18.99. So if you're interested in the link, it's in the description down below. You can go and check Amazon how to wall. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.
There in her arms, my baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my whole world. She is my heart.